Hello and welcome to a Minecraft education walkthrough with Mr. K. If you're an educator and want to use a map in your class but are unsure of how it works, then this is the perfect series for you. Today I'm looking at the basic tutorials offered to you in Minecraft education. Perfect for students that are new to Minecraft education or need a refresher. There are 6 tutorials to teach movement, breaking and placing, interacting, and more advanced features such as cameras, posters, and NPCs. Today, I will walk you through the first 3 tutorials of how to move, how to break and place blocks, and how to interact with different features in Minecraft education. Each tutorial can be found in the library under the How to Play section. Allow your students to click on the first tutorial and you could read through the overview and goals together. When you're all ready, click Create World in the top right. That's all you need to do. Students are learning how to move with their mouse and keyboard, a challenge if you've never done this before. The first task is to hover your cursor over the golden blocks for 2 seconds until it changes colors. After this, they will be able to enter the garden through a short maze that allows them to try moving side to side with A and D. You use W forward, A left, and D right to follow the path. The other input they'll learn in this tutorial is how to jump. Students will have to press the spacebar to jump up onto the next ledge or over a log. If they're stuck, make sure to remind them to press W and jump at the same time. That will lead them to the end of the park. If you have students that are done the maze faster than others, this is an open city area that students can explore. A perfect way to make sure that everyone is waiting and moving on to the next tutorial together. Tutorial 2 covers one of Minecraft Education's main mechanics, placing and breaking blocks. Students will begin by breaking through a series of blocks using their fists and different tools. Breaking blocks requires you to click and hold the left mouse button. It is more important that they hold the left click until the block is fully broken. After moving through the barriers, they will receive 4 flowers. They must place these on the 4 grass blocks in the orange outline. Students can use the scroll wheel on their mouse or the 1 through 4 number keys to choose the next flower in their item hotbar. Students then combine the 2 skills they have learned by building a staircase to get up and through the next gate. There are different combinations that can be used to complete this, but the main idea is to break the wooden planks on the left or right side with their axe and then place them in a way that allows them to move upwards through the iron. There's also a small puzzle where students have to break the green block and replace the gold block with one of those green blocks. Students will then be put in creative mode. Students will access the creative inventory using E to select a block that they would like to use to build a bridge to walk across to the other side. They can place blocks starting from the far end of the bridge and place them closer to them by right-clicking on the edge of the block. That will bring them to the end of the tutorial where students who are done early can build a sandcastle with their creative inventory while they wait for others to finish. The final tutorial I will cover today is the interaction tutorial. Students will be shown different items and blocks that can be interacted with in Minecraft education. Students will be using the right-click button to interact, just like when they're placing blocks. Students make their way through the building by clicking on buttons, levers, and doors. One important note is that iron doors and trapdoors can only be opened using a redstone-powered lever, pressure plate, or button. The 2 final interactions in the tutorial is opening a chest. Finally, they interact with an NPC, which is a non-playable character. Students right-click on their character to see what it has to say, and at the bottom, when they're done, they click on one of the 2 options. Again, students can explore the garden while they wait for others to finish, and there's a whole bunch of cool, unique interactions that they can find spread out throughout the garden. I would highly recommend at least these 3 tutorials for you and your students before exploring more of the other Minecraft education maps, as they teach the basics of movement, interaction, and placing and breaking blocks. If you're interested in the other 3 tutorials, my next walkthrough covers those. I hope this was helpful to you in your class and you get to explore some of these with your class. Have fun!